Hi everyone. Today we will see the concept of development and its relationship with learning. So let's see what is development. Development is an increase in the complexity of function and skill progression. Development is an increase of capacity and skill of a person through growth, maturation, and learning in order to adapt to the environment. Development is the behavioral aspect of growth. That is, example, a person develops the ability to walk, talk, and think. Stages of development. There are mainly 5 stages are there. First is newborn from 0 to 3 months. Second is infant from 3 to 12 months. Third is toddler, that is from 1 to 3 years. Fourth is preschool age, that is 4 year. Then last one is school age, it will be from 4 to 5 years. Domains of development. There are 4 broad domains of development. First is physical development, second is cognitive development, third is social development, and fourth is emotional development. You can keep it in your mind as PCSE also. P for physical development, C for cognitive development, S for social development, and E for emotional development. Then let's see what is physical development. Physical development is the growth and development of both the brain and body in infancy and early childhood. Physical development is the growth and development of both brain and body and involves development control of muscles and physical coordination, example running, drawing, painting, etc., in which the brain and the hand both should be involved. That is called as a physical development. Cognitive development. Cognitive development means how children think, explore, and figure things out. It is the development of knowledge, skills, problem solving, and disposition which help children to think about and understand the world around them. Brain development is part of cognitive development. Example, imagination, thinking, reasoning, etc. will come under the cognitive development. Whatever work they are doing with their brain, that will come under the cognitive development. Then next is social development. Social development refers to the process by which a child learns to interact with others around them as they develop and perceive their own individuality within their community. They also gain skills to communicate with other people and process their actions. So whatever the social development is nothing but whatever the activities a children is doing to know about his community or her community, that is called as a social development. Next is emotional development. Emotional development means how children start to understand who they are, what they are feeling, and what to expect when interacting with others. It is the development of being able to form and sustain positive relationship, experience, manage, and express emotions. So when the children will see and when they feel that some emotions for the other person, that is come under the emotional development. Then development and learning, the relation between the development and learning. First we will see about the development. It refers to a qualitative changes that result in an increase in structure for better and enhanced functioning of organs. Next is learning. Let's see the definition of learning. It is a comprehensive process that refers to a change in behavior, knowledge, and skill as a result of practice and experience. So these two are the different things. Then next is zone of proximal development. The zones of proximal development has been divided into the 2 parts, and it was given by the Vygotsky. The theory of zone of proximal development is given by the Vygotsky, and according to this theory, there are 2 parts in the zone of proximal development. First is ADP, that is child actual development part, in which the learner can do without assistant. means you should not assist the children, they will do with their abilities. The next is potential development level, PDL. In this, what a learner can do with adult guidance or in collaboration with more capable peers. So in this we can see that the children will take the help from their teacher or any adult or any of their friend. So in the potential development level, the children will take the help from the other like teacher, parents or friend, and in the actual development part the learner will do from themselves. They will not take the help of anyone. So next is we will see the diagram. We will try to understand with the diagram of zone of proximal development. So here as we can see that in the center the learner can do the unaided, means here the learner cannot take the help from anyone, they will do by themselves. Like for the kids of like LKG and UKG, if we will say them to write the alphabets from A to Z, they will write easily without help of their teacher or their friends. The next is zone of proximal development, learner can do with the guidance. So here the if we will give them task like write 2 to 3 letter words, for that they need the help of the teacher or their friends or their parents. So that is called as the second zone is that only, and in that zone the learner will take the help from the parents, teacher or the friends. Then next is the third zone is in that third zone the learner cannot do anything with the help of the teacher, also they cannot do, by themselves also they cannot reach till that target.